Migraswift nasal spray is a fast-acting, easy-to-use treatment designed for the acute relief of migraine headaches. Using Zolmitriptan, a third-generation triptan, this nasal spray offers quick relief, especially when nausea or vomiting prevents taking oral medications. In this video, we'll guide you through the design of the device, how it works, and how to use it safely and effectively. Let's start by looking at the main components of the Migraswift nasal sprayer. First, the actuator or nozzle. This is the part that goes into your nostril. It's ergonomically designed for a snug and comfortable fit. Next, the plunger or button. You press this to release the dose. Inside the device is a metering pump, which ensures that exactly 0.1 milliliters of medication is delivered per spray. The medication reservoir contains 0.7 milliliters of Zolmitriptan solution, allowing for up to 7 measured sprays in multi-dose variants. There's also a protective cap to keep the nozzle clean and safe, and a filter vent that balances air pressure during each spray and prevents contamination. Before your first use, your doctor may advise you to prime the spray. To do this, simply press the plunger once or twice into the air away from your face. This ensures that the first full dose is accurate. When you feel the onset of a migraine, remove the protective cap. Hold the device upright with your thumb on the bottom and 2 fingers on the plunger. Tilt your head slightly forward and gently insert the nozzle into one nostril. Close the other nostril with a finger. Now press the plunger firmly to deliver one full dose. Breathe in gently through your nose during spraying to help the medication reach the upper nasal cavity. After spraying, the Zolmitriptan is rapidly absorbed through the rich blood vessels in the nasal lining. This bypasses the digestive tract and avoids the first-pass liver metabolism, ensuring a quick onset of action. Relief may begin as early as 10 to 15 minutes after use. Only 1 spray per nostril is usually needed. Do not sniff hard or blow your nose immediately after use. Always follow your doctor's dosage instructions. If the spray is single-use, dispose of it after 1 dose. For multi-dose devices, store it with the cap back on. Migraswift nasal spray is a powerful tool in migraine treatment. Easy, fast, and effective. When used correctly, it helps you regain control over your day.